Yes. Mary, yes, Mary, the motion.
There's a motion with that?
Alright, Brooklyn, gonna explain how she did the bell ringer. Let's pay close attention in case a mistake was made. Brooklyn, whenever you tell them, make sure you give your explanation out loud so that way those on the video on Google Meet can hear you, please.
Number 1 is in the first quadrant because both of them are even. Number 2 is in the second quadrant because the first one is negative. Number 3 is in the third quadrant because both of them are negative. And number 4 is in the fourth quadrant because the second one is negative.
Thank you. Alexis, tell us, do you agree or disagree?
I agree.
Yeah, very good. What questions do you have for us on the bell ringer?
Why did you make it so easy? Like you didn't mix them up or nothing.
I wouldn't say that, because then maybe she could come up with an idea.
Yeah,
I
can
bet.
you say it's hard?
We gotta make it harder for us.
Shut up, we don't though. It takes me like 5 seconds to. Wait,
We need one way harder.
It's hard one way harder.
You're a horrible person.
I'm giving you this first. Please listen. I'm giving you this first graphing order pairs worksheet that you did. We are going to go over it because I did not actually grade it. I just did participation points.
Thank God I participated.
So we need to go over it and grade it and make corrections.
I hope your kids.
I think that made sense. And then it popped up and doing harder.
No, I
Still not.
Was it like this? Was it like
I literally drilled this kid in the face. I don't know. Like, oh. Instead of coming back, it goes straight up.
something so hard that you
Not in his dumb. I hit him right in the head, and then Dylan came behind him and caught it.
Batting it. It's on the one team.
I haven't done it.
It wasn't even serious.
I haven't done it. You're lying.
You didn't let him do it. You see the home run I hit? I only got the dot once. Y'all came right out.
Yeah.
So we're going over the
Let's go. I got something. You know what a home run is?
Yeah, but
Oh, never mind.
Alright, if I can have your attention, please. If I can have your attention, please. You need to turn around, face the front. Alright, on these you had to plot the points and write the ordered pairs close to each point. So for instance, when you graphed the point 0, 6, you went from 0 up to 6, and then you needed to put the ordered pair 0, 6. 4, 6 would be to the right, 4 up 6. -7, 0 would be here. 6, 0 would be there. 0, -7 would be at the bottom. Okay, so you had to graph the ordered pairs and write the ordered pair beside it. On the back page, you had to state which quadrant they were in. Okay, hopefully you're getting to the point to where you don't actually need to graph it to see which quadrant it's in. If you just follow the path that you think you would take, for instance, -5, 3 would be to the left and up, which is quadrant 2. -12, -1 would be to the left down, which is quadrant 3. 100, -1 would be to the right and down, which is quadrant 4.
Let me pull your little thing down.
No, it's fine. The bulb is starting to go out. 20 should be quadrant 4. 21 should be quadrant 3. 22 should be quadrant 2. 23 should be quadrant 1. 24 quadrant 1, and 25 quadrant 4. It's positive, negative, so to the right and down. And then it says in the second quadrant, so look at all the ones that's in the second quadrant, x coordinates are always negative and y coordinates are always positive. So here's your second quadrant. Your x values are in the negative and the y values are positive. In the fourth quadrant, x coordinates are positive and y coordinates are negative. And then number 28, you had to write, you had to write the ordered pairs. 28 should be, or A should be 3, 3. B should be 0, negative 4. C should be negative 5, 0. D is negative 1, negative 1. E is 2, 0. On 29, A is 4, 1. B is 0, negative 5. C is negative 4, 0. D is negative 3, negative 2. And E is 2, 0. Okay.
-2.
Wait.
E is 2, 0.
Oh, I just got caught.
What questions do you have for me?
I don't know, but I
Wait, I got one wrong.
I only got 25 wrong. Let's get Mary proud of me. Let's get Mary proud of me. I only got
25, if you tried, then yes.
Let's see the front.
I'm proud of the
You
hour.
got 25 wrong?
That's the only.
All right. If I can have your attention again, please.
Actually, no,
I got 0 wrong.
I thought you meant you got 25.
Can y'all stop talking? If you give me 0 wrong.
All right, so on your assignment, have your attention, please. On your assignment yesterday, graphing ordered pairs. The first one, you had to drag the ordered pairs to the point. This point here was halfway between 6 and 7, so it would be 4, 6.5. This point over here would be 8, 2. There's 7, 0, 2, negative 8, 0, negative 7, negative 7, 0, negative 8, 2, and negative 3, 5.
Did you do this?
We got that 3 days ago. What are you talking about?
No, I've got to go through and
3
break
days
this
ago was
one.
Saturday. Good.
All right, then on the second slide, you had to plot the points and then connect them in the order you did them in.
Oh, God.
Here's number 1. All right, hey guys, please listen. Number 1 is 0, 9. Number 2 is 4, 3. 9, 0.
I was doing them in order.
4, negative 3. 6, negative 10. 0, negative 6. Negative 6, negative 10. Negative 4, negative 3. Negative 9, 0. Negative 4, negative 3. And then back to number
I
1.
knew it was something
all
like
types
that.
of. I was doing like zigzags, crossing lines.
I saw some people that look like a star.
I look like that.
Mine did.
Right on mine.
Mine was just starting.
Was it? All right.
They don't have the other
These you had to list the quadrants. In quadrant 1, both the x and the y are always positive. So C and F would both be in quadrant 1. Let's stop that, please. Quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, the x is negative and the y is positive. So that would be B, D, and G. In quadrant 3, they're both negative. So that would be E, H, and J. And in quadrant 4, the y is negative. And so it'd be A and I. Okay. And then this box, it says she moved to the left and down. That's quadrant 3. And in quadrant 3, they're both negative. It started at the origin, moved left and up. That would be quadrant 2. The x is negative. Sasha, she moved to the right and up. That's quadrant 1, and they're both positive. And Mary started and moved to the right and down. That's quadrant 4, where the y is negative. Okay, and then that was your assignment yesterday. Okay, what questions do you have about graphing ordered pairs?
Are we doing one of those today?
All right, so today we are going to review.
Are we doing a review game or something? Free?
Yes.
Free.
All right, so what I need you to do And those of you joining us on the video, you will need to have a piece of paper and a pencil. And you'll need to work these out as we work them out. Alright, so if I can have your attention, please. I need you to get out quietly, I need you to get out a blank piece of notebook paper and a pencil.
Don't forget my other number. Not mine. This number.
Okay, guys, that's not quiet. Ashley. Ethan, let's not be throwing stuff.
He's throwing it away, money.
Yeah, but we still can't throw stuff.
Just get a shot.
Skylar, can I get you to move up into that seat in front of Ashton, please?
Oh, and you could have said thank you.
Thanks.
Ian, can I get you to scoot over in that seat? And Kaylee's seat. Her and Ashton.
I'm touching me.
Alright, if I can have your attention, please. At the top of your paper, I need you to write your name on it. Because everyone's going to turn it in. And if you, depending, you get your credit by working out all the problems. Okay, if you don't work out all the problems, you do not get full credit. I'm about to tell you. Okay, so first thing I need you to do is write your name at the top. Then I need you to write Chapter 6 Review. Chapter 6 Review. At the top, write Chapter 6 Review. Put your name in Chapter 6 Review. REVIEW.
It's right there, but I just spelled that completely backwards. I'm talking about backwards.
Okay, so we're going to, I need one more person.
Oh,
Man, you need to start drinking bubbles.
Casey,
Yeah.
come move back here.
yeah, Jason.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You can use your notes, you can use your folder, but you can't use a calculator. So your calculator needs to go underneath your desk.
Along with my notebook.
Wait, my thing's on my thank you.
Wait, no calculators?
Stick your calculator underneath your desk. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. If I can have your attention, please. I'm going to give you a problem. You're going to work it out on your paper and write your answer down. And then I'm going to ask you for your answer. If it is correct, you get to stay in your spot. If it's not correct, I go automatically to the next person.
Oh, no, I'm mad at you because of this game, because last time I was like,
You
and I got it right.
won the last one.
I was gonna say I got it right, and you moved me
I
up,
thought
you put me in the
Caleb
winning
won.
seat.
I thought Caleb won that. Yeah, Caleb.
Yeah, Caleb won.
You said whoever was in the seat got the point.
That was not
Caleb, you won. Yeah.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the problem. You won't have very long to work on it. Now, if the problems get harder, you will get a chance to work on it until the end of class.
Oh, that's one problem.
Okay. So, also, it's not just going to be this first person, wherever I start. Let's say I start right here. This won't be the only person that gets the bonus points, okay? This person will get the most bonus points, but everybody in this row will get bonus points. Okay? But each person will get less and less.
Wait, so did I get bonus points last time?
No.
Okay, so here's your first problem. Work it out on your own. You cannot use a calculator.
What?
-3 plus 8. -3 plus 8.
Oh, no, I need to calculate.
Can't use calculator, and I need to get that out of here, please. Can't use a calculator.
Number line, I use this.
You can use your notes out of your folder. Yeah, if you want to use your number line, you can use
I
your
think I
number
did
line.
it.
Him and I.
right, Brianna, what is your answer?
Keep both of those masks on, because I'm dying.
Why you got?
That is incorrect.
Breather.
Skylar, that is correct. So Skylar, you get to steal her seat.
What
The answer was positive 5. Since they're different, you subtract 8 minus 3 is 5, and the bigger number is positive. So the answer would be positive 5.
So I know that if it's two negatives multiplied, it's positive, but so two negatives like added is still negative.
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright, here's the next one. Negative 34 divided by negative 2.
What?
Negative 34 divided by negative 2.
We can't use a calculator.
No calculator. If you have to, do long division,
My
just
mind
like
is a
4,
calculator.
6.
I'm not sure how to do that.
Right. Do it quietly.
Got it.
Wait, give me some more time.
This is hard.
So you do have your answer? Okay, what's your answer? That is incorrect.
Well,
That is correct.
What's up, Casey?
Alright, Payson, you can take Ashton's spot.
Oh, yeah, I need to move back. Hey, look, guys, he sit in the back. He stayed because I got to move back. That's the winning seat. That's the winning seat. I thought that was winning. No, you don't.
That's what you see this time. It changes each time.
Oh, that's safe.
Okay,
There's no secret.
a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 34 divided by 2 is 17. Half of 34 is 17. Okay, here's your next one. 5 minus 16.
Oh, this is easy.
That sounds like some senior level stuff.
Oh, I was fine.
5 minus 16. Remember, anybody in this first row gets bonus points.
You took my
I got it.
to the
You need to call on me. You can't say it out loud.
Oh, God, like, you shush up.
It goes to
I
the
did
next
you
person.
What place?
Brooklyn, you think you got your answer? What you got?
Negative 11.
That is correct. Negative 11. 5 plus negative 16. They're different, so you subtract and you take the sign of the bigger number.
Stop before I get mad and throw a water bottle at him.
Ow, don't do it. Water bottle me.
Hey guys, let's be respectful of the other students and not be distracting them. Alright, here's your next one. Negative 27 divided by negative 27.
Oh, that's
It
easy.
goes in order, you can't just give me the answer. It goes in order.
You gotta wait.
Water, gotta wait your turn.
Water.
Alright, Dave, what's your answer? That is correct. Positive.
It's negative.
Here's your next one. 8 minus negative 2. 8 minus negative 2. You should be working these out on your paper.
Oh, brainstorm.
That's how you get credit for today, is by working it out on your paper.
What was that?
I don't want him to sit on his It's so funny.
Do it.
Alright, Chase, what's your answer? That is incorrect. Ethan, what's your answer?
Positive 5.
That is incorrect.
What day did you just say?
Alexis, what's your answer?
Positive 6.
That's incorrect.
Negative 6.
Alex, what's your answer? That's incorrect. That's incorrect.
What? Is it positive 10 November?
It is positive 10.
Yeah.
Everybody scoot back a seat and you get Chase's spot.
Alright, y'all gotta
You
scoot
all
back
have
and
to
see.
scoot back a seat.
The 2 negatives.
I'm gonna.
Oh no, you sat them together.
Hey guys, if I can have your attention, please. Hey guys, listen. Whenever you're subtracting, remember you keep change. You keep the first number, change it to adding, and change the sign of that one. So it's 8 plus 2, and 8 added 2 is 10.
What? You said that again? They're not both negatives.
Alright, here's your next one. Negative 12 plus 12. Negative 12 plus 12.
If I get this wrong,
You're gonna be really stupid. Yeah.
Negative 12 plus 20.
I mean, brain dead. Not just
You need to be respectful of your classmates. Alright, Parker, what's your answer?
1.
That is incorrect.
You gotta be kidding me.
Mateo, what's your answer? That is correct.
Did you really say one? Parker, you're dumb. How did you know? If the big Parker tried one, you're retarded.
Alright, Michelle, you get Parker's spot. Parker, you move back.
No, keep Parker there.
Alright, here's your next one. Negative 2 times 4. Negative 2 times 4.
Don't stop that.
Parker said 0 or 1.
Negative 2 times 4.
Oh, I got this, Miss Goodman. Miss Goodman.
You're good. Okay, okay. I got you.
How much answer?
Negative 8.
Yeah!
A negative times a positive is a negative. Alright, here's your next one. Negative 7 plus 2. Negative 7 plus 2.
That's pretty good.
Remember, you can use your number line, you just can't use your calculator.
I'm gonna cry.
I got it, Miss Goodman. I got it.
I'm actually gonna
Alright, you
cry.
got your answer? What is it? That is incorrect.
You said -9.
Negative 5 is correct.
Yeah, why would you say negative? That's 7 bigger. What is that in the negative figure?
The negative's bigger, so we keep it, and you subtract because they're different signs. Okay? Negative 5. Here's the next one, and this one's a little bit more difficult. Negative 2 minus 6.
Like, we did one like this before. It ain't about to get me.
Ain't give me.
Pretty sure.
It's not gonna get me.
Not both.
You got your answer?
I can
That is incorrect. That is incorrect.
I got it, Shawty. I got it.
No one cares, Johnny. Yes, Johnny.
Negative 8 is correct. You can stay.
Oh, man.
Negative 8.
How is it negative?
Hey guys, please listen.
How did they end up beside each other?
Because I got smart.
Yeah, because he got it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna move
Alright,
it.
hey
How
guys,
did you get that? How did you get that?
Listen.
Shut up.
listen. With subtraction, you keep change. Since they're the same sign, you add 2 plus 6 is 8, and you keep the negative. So negative 8.
I'm a dummy.
Negative 3.
No, I'm not the words.
Alright, here's your next one. Negative 35 divided by 5.
Do it one more time.
Negative 35 divided by 5.
Oh, wait.
Got it. I got it, Johnny.
I know it. I know. This is so easy. Got it. What kind of fries?
I got it. It's so easy. Well, you need who?
You know what that means?
Alright, Brianna, what's your answer?
She is stubborn, but she knows it.
That is correct. Negative 7.
Oh my
Negative
God.
7. Here's your next one. Negative 9 plus 13.
Hey, how is that negative 7?
35 divided by 5 is 7.
And 35 is bigger. Yes.
No, a negative divided by a positive would be a negative.
Oh.
Those are different signs. Alright, let's be working this one. Negative 9 plus 13.
That's both.
That is
Oh, yeah,
correct.
it's-
Positive 4.
Yes.
Positive
You heard
4.
her, man. I was gonna put.
They're different signs, so you subtract. 13 minus 4. The
She
bigger
know
number
what
is
it is.
positive.
She
So
knows
positive.
how her voice.
Alright, here's it. 110 minus negative 15. 110 minus negative 15.
So easy.
Well.
100 again. You can't help them if you
It's
have
not
to.
just hard.
No, I said.
Fifth grade.
No, it's not.
I didn't help him.
He did.
It's a negative.
Alright,
I didn't say it was a negative.
hey guys, if you get help from someone, you get discredited. Alright, what's your answer?
1, 2, 5.
That is correct.
Oh, yeah.
Positive 125. Alright, here's your next one.
Oh.
Why? I need a calculator for this. I'm breaking the brain dead.
Negative 12.76 plus 4.95.
I'm like, actually, we're going.
Me personally, I would have to go back to like first grade where you have to line them up perfectly. And
Yeah,
start
And
adding them.
I didn't pay attention in first grade.
None of it, I failed it.
How was
First
it?
grade, sixth grade.
Stop it. Oh my
No,
God,
no,
yeah,
I'm
I'm
not
not
punching
punching
right
I failed it.
I really hope we didn't have to minus that, because that's exactly not what I did.
That's exactly what I would do.
That's exactly what you have to
I can do it in my head because
I'm
I'm
not even gonna do it. Well, I mean,
Yeah,
I
for
did it.
sure.
I think I got this wrong.
Same here.
Cause I got.
do. I love you.
Look at this. That don't even add up. This got this good. Shut up.
Listen closely. Hey guys, I need to listen. Alright, Brooklyn, what's your answer?
7.81.
That is incorrect.
So this is 8 points.
I don't know.
That's
That is
wrong.
incorrect. Gavin?
Same answer.
Bro.
You have 8.81 as well? Or 8?
Don't have.
Oh, you got me.
That's pretty funny.
That is incorrect.
Wait, what?
Ethan, what's your answer?
Negative 69.69.
That's incorrect.
Dang, how are we supposed to minus it?
1.8. Incorrect. Alex?
Someone please get it
Say that one more time. Incorrect. Colin?
5.81.
Incorrect.
Oh my God, bro.
Has anybody said it's working these out? Are anybody writing these now?
All of it's positive.
You said positive 17.7.
What did you just say?
Everybody needs to scoot back a seat. Amber needs to come take Brooklyn's spot.
What was the answer?
James, come up here. I'm gonna go over. Colin, come up here. Not everybody, because everybody can
Yeah.
Amber, you go all the way over to number 2.
Why are you supposed to do like this motherfucking burping machine? Go!
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over.
Hey, you know my face.
Alright, you guys, I need you to listen, please. I need you to listen. When you're adding, you look to see if they're the same or different. They're different signs, so you subtract. So you do 12.76 minus 4.95. 6 minus 5 is 1. You can't do that. So I bring down the decimal, borrow from the 2. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2, I can't do 4 minus 2, so I carry it to 12 minus 4. No, sorry. That's a 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. The bigger number is negative. So it's negative 7.81.
I
was close enough.
You just need to listen.
Yeah, I just don't do that, 'cause I've been practicing for 3 days and I'm sore. No.
Alright, here's your next one.
That's the way you want.
4.95 minus negative 2.65. 4.95 minus negative 2.65. You need to be working these out and showing your work in order to receive credit for today.
I'm pretty sure the answer is how old my grandmother is.
That's easy.
Get it? 'Cause she's dead.
Oh! I think I got the answer, Miss Goodman. I'm pretty sure I don't have the answer. Wait, I have to go next anyways.
Might have a clue.
I'm gonna say 7:30.
This is good.
What's
Alright, what's your answer? That's correct.
Wait,
Get that over your spot.
Yeah, I get the same way.
I did, what?
7.60 or 7.6.
He changed flip.
You add them, so you have 4.95 plus 2.65. There you go.
What the heck? Miss Goodman, what is this?
7,000.
7.60.
7.6 or 7.60. 7,513 plus negative 4,361.
Why is you in the ground floor?
I can't see.
That,
Right.
bro, you can see.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, right.
Thanks.
Are you subtracting or adding this? Can you just tell me that?
Mm-mm. I can't help, it's not fair to the others.
How much money will it take?
Hey, I got four bucks.
How much Bitcoin will it take?
Alright.
I'm big on.
Y'all need to let others be working.
I'm just amazed. How's that feel? Give me
Dog water.
No question. Every time you text me, like, Carmen, you live in West Palm.
Is that why you're sitting in the floor?
Alright, Caleb, what's your answer? Alan, what's your answer?
I got 1,000. I got one. I definitely messed up. I got 1,874.
That is incorrect.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not searching.
That is incorrect.
Wait,
Skylar, what's your answer? That is correct. You need to keep your spot.
I learned exactly. I
I
know your tricks. You do the exact opposite of what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, it says plus and negative. Okay, guys, listen. Adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. So you just subtract 7513 minus 4361. 3 minus 1 is 2. You gotta borrow. 11 minus 6 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3.
No, that's right. Miss Goodman, I got you red-handed. You were trying to trick us. Chill out. Jesus Christ. It's paper.
Okay, here's your next one.
Oh, it's true. Jesus Christ can't help them.
Negative 1,312 divided by negative 16. Me personally, I'd probably have to do the long division.
There's not even no way I can do this within the time space that I have.
I'm all the way over there. I think you have plenty of time.
All the way over.
I need a calculator, Miss Goodman.
Yeah, me too.
Can we just use a calculator on this one?
This.
How do you keep change flip?
That's only with practice.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. You know what? I'm just gonna wait for somebody to get trolled.
Alright, so you need to be working it out. That's how you get credit for it.
Miss Goodman, I need to calculate. I don't know how much 16 is going to 131.
My daughter goes there and she'll start doing like 16 times.
That's not 131. That's 1,312.
131 long division
Hey,
reason.
let's not use that word. That language.
Naughty.
There is a long.
You need to be working. Oh, you need to be working.
What's 16 times 6?
Oh, I know.
16 times 6.
What, 6 times 6?
12.
That's
36.
6 times 6 is 36.
36.
Yeah, I'm in.
Hey, yo, Lex.
Oh my God, dude.
Well,
You asked me to.
I like Miracle, like, spooky.
That's pretty sad.
I'm 16 years old. I've got purpose. There's a scar right. There's a scar right.
I would go younger.
I mean, she said it's a staff.
The oldest person I ever said.
My brother
2 years
stabbed me in
below.
the hand.
Wait, what is that? What you
Not
want?
3 years.
Did you get grounded?
Good job.
This goes to my sisters.
Are you the youngest?
My mom, brother.
Okay.
Never grows
Alright, Brianna, what's your answer? Mason?
1,200.
No. No.
That's incorrect.
Hamburger.
Incorrect.
You was close.
Brooklyn? Daniel, you got an answer?
I
Cass?
don't know.
Chase? Ethan?
6,900.
Put it on there.
Alexis?
612.
Incorrect. Alex?
Hamburger is right back. Right. And none of us have to move. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Parker?
I don't know.
665. 12.
I didn't even attempt it just like Alex.
Alright. If I can have your attention, please. 16 into 131. 16 times 10 would be 160. So then I think 9, and that would be 176 cause, 160 minus 16, that would be 144. So now I know it would be 8. Let's not do that, please. So I'll put an 8 above the 131. 8 times 6 is 48. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 128. 131 minus 128 is 3. I bring down the 2. 16 will go into 32 2 times, which is 32. So it's 82. Now you look at the sign. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So it'd be positive 82.
Yeah, she was over here saying that I'm stupid for saying that. How about put 16 and 131?
Positive 82.
And that's how you're supposed to do it.
Alright, here's the next one. 19 minus 25 plus negative 3. 19 minus 25 plus negative 3.
Oh, I can. Wait, he's going. It's good.
We're starting back at Skylar.
No.
I'm really not.
You won't. Just do it, man. You're 18. What are you gonna do? Oh yeah.
I'm in school. I'm not going to.
You're good.
They won't.
Actually, if she's 18, it's a small one. Because he's like 15.
He's like,
He's like 10.
He's 15 minutes. What?
Actually, I have the mental capacity of a 9-year-old, so get it right.
I have another 5-year-old.
You weren't doing like
What's the answer?
Yep.
Yes, actually. We sacrifice people to save it.
I'm crazy so bad.
So like,
Sophomore has it.
you don't know.
Alright, Skylar, you got your answer?
Staring at you.
Come on, I really gotta say,
Yeah,
you're like a boiled egg.
Daniel?
It was that.
I mean, I am.
No one good at it. Never get it wrong.
Stuff was
Pencil.
Pencil, what do you mean?
No, there's three above, you can't.
If you're a front, I'm
Yeah,
not
hey,
here.
shut up. No, no, no.
Parker, I didn't talk about it.
I know.
Caleb,
Dude, I have never.
Three.
What the heck? Come on, pencil.
Aye.
Alright, if I get your attention, please. Please listen. First, you do these, so you add the negative, they're different, so you subtract, so that 25 minus 19 is 6, the bigger number is negative, so negative 6
No one
plus
would
negative
guess that.
3.
Miss Goodman,
Negative 6 plus negative 3.
Negative
I was
It's
close.
negative
Miss Goodman, no, cause that's in percentages or whatever you call it. Don't you have to do that in 25 words?
You simplify what's inside the parentheses.
Yeah.
Alright, Skylar, I need you to simplify what you're doing.
Oh, wait, I mean,
Brianna plus 4. Kason plus 3, plus 2,
Oh,
Amber
yeah.
plus 1.
Oh, y'all.
I need you to, listen please, I need you to pass your papers to the front. Pass your papers to the front. Make sure your name's on it, pass it to the front.
Oh my god.
Right row, pass it to the right.
you got any more? Let's go.
Alright, you guys, be nice and wrong. Hey,
Parker,
guess
have a
what?
seat.
Pass it
If
now.
you would have got me nice and wrong, you could have said that.
Now, you move back to your original seat.
Back to you.
Let's get back to your original seat.
I'm like 90 years old. Someone should have warned me.
Alright, now have your attention, please. Please listen. Hey guys, the longer you take, the longer you're going to have to stay after class. I need you to put your interactive notebook inside your folder,
What the heck is that?
and then pass your folders to the front.
Ow, my face. He ain't using his head.
Hey, Porter.
Oh, what's wrong?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, chill.
Alright, hey guys, have a seat. Brianna, put your folders up. Alan, wait.
Yeah, sit down, Alan. Yeah.
Hey, someone's papers are on the ground.
Hey guys,
Free time.
listen, this first row, you can put
Go
your.
ahead, my man, Alan. Stop working.
Ain't nobody flirting with him.
Parker.
Actually, I can test to that quite a few.
Okay, well,
Alright,
And I
for
agree.
now, you can put your folders
I
up.
agree with you, Alan.
This second
Because I
row,
see it with
you
my
can
own
go
eyes.
calculators and get your phone.
I'll be smashing. Why is fucking
Wait, Gavin, I haven't told you to put your calculator.
Yeah, you better sit back.
Wait, I'm gonna hold your roll. Alan, go ahead and put your folders up. Third row, you can go ahead and put up your calculators and get
I'm
your
not gonna
phones.
kiss you.
You're a liar.
What?
Stop the cat.
oh, you got it.
I ain't no cat.
Susan Bennett.
Fourth row, go ahead and put up your calculators and get your phones. Get your calculator, put up your phone. This last row, you go ahead and put up your calculator and get your phone. Don't forget to return your pencils. Have a good day.
Hey, why did you lose your
Don't punch me.
Hey, do you have lights? Because I just
What?
I'm in pain. Don't punch me.
I didn't hit you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
I do that for you.
What's something Amber, girl?
Hey guys, let's not be doing that, please.
No, it's not.
I do that. There's no way to do that. It's like you laugh. She drew it. I thought she did.
Yes, that would be Amber that drew that.